In this video, we will talk about how to fix an error has occurred in the script on this page. Step 1. Turn on script debugging. Click in search. Type Internet Options and click on Open. Now, click on Advanced tab. Check Disable Script Debugging and click on Apply and OK. Step 2. Clear your browser's temporary files. Click in Search. Type Internet Options and click on Open. In General tab, click on Delete. Make sure the important items, like temporary internet files and cookies, are checked. Then click on Delete and close the window. Step 3. Clear temp folder. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type %temp% and hit OK. Press and hold Control key, then press A. Then click on Delete. Select Skip to the window that won't remove. Step 4. Disk Cleanup. Click in Search. Type Disk Cleanup and select Open. Uncheck everything except temporary internet files. Click on OK. Then confirm to delete files. Once you're done, go ahead and restart your computer. That should clear up the script error. So that's how you can fix an error has occurred in the script on this page. See you in the next video.